Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture. Here in this lecture of the topic matrix, I have selected a question from the year 2018 of J mains. Okay, so let's have a look. So the question is a very simple question. A is a matrix of order 3 by 3, it is known to you, but it is given that it is non-singular matrix. That means non-singular means I will try to explain the topic non-singular what it is. And in one another condition is given A minus 3i. If A is a matrix of order 3 by 3, then obviously the identity matrix is of order 3 by 3. Into 5, A minus 5i is equal to a 0 matrix. All the matrix of order 3 by 3. It is given I equal to identity matrix of order 3, 0 is equal to O equal to identity matrix of order 3. Okay. Then if alpha A plus beta A inverse is equal to 4i, then you have to find the value of alpha plus beta. 4 options are given: 13, 7, 12 and 8. So to have the value of alpha plus beta, first of all we should have the idea about the value of alpha and beta. So how can we find out the value of alpha and beta? One specific condition is given. The matrix is non-singular. That means the determinant value of the matrix is not equal to 0. Always remember, as the matrix is non-singular, the non-singular means its determinant value is not equal to 0. And if the determinant value of matrix is non-singular, then A inverse exists. You can easily find out the inverse of the matrix. Whenever you have to find out the inverse of a matrix, first of all you will check determinant is equal to 0 or not equal to 0. If determinant is not equal to 0, that means if it is non-singular, then and then only you can easily find out its inverse. That means one option is given, hints is given to you. Matrix is non-singular. That means the determinant is not equal to 0. That means A inverse exists. And applying that condition, we will try to find out the value of all those expressions. Okay. So it is given that, what is given to us? A minus 3i into A minus 5i is equal to 0 matrix. It is already given. After having the simplification, we will have minus 15i equal to 0. Okay, we will have a square minus 8a plus 15i equal to 0. After having the simplification, you will get. Okay, try to simplify. Remember, I square is itself is equal to I. Square of any identity matrix is equal to I. Cube of any identity matrix, 8 of any identity matrix is always equal to an identity matrix. Now what you will do? Post multiplying. Post multiplying means post multiplying both sides by A inverse. As it is given, A is non-singular, that means inverse exists. That's why we can easily multiply both sides by A inverse. That means the expression will be A square minus 8A plus 15I A inverse from the right hand side only, 0 into A inverse. Identity matrix. Okay, so how can we simplify? How many A's are there? 2A. After multiplying it will be like that. Okay, plus 8 into A inverse plus 15I into A inverse is equal to 0. 0 matrix. Okay, and we know that the product of a matrix and its inverse is equal to an identity always. Eta matrix logot jodi tar inverse to multiply kora, then identity matrix se paba 8i plus 15A inverse. That means if we multiply any matrix with the identity, the matrix will be remain same, which is equal to 0 matrix. Okay, so we can easily simplify A plus 8i plus 15A inverse. Oh sorry, it will be minus, okay, minus is equal to 0. Now one question will arise. 8i, that means 8 is a scalar quantity, I is an identity matrix. Here you are not supposed to write down 8 only. Okay, because it is an expression of matrix, that's why each and every term should contain one matrix. So what we have to find it out? Now we'll try to compare. Now we'll try to write down the expression in the form of this one. So it will be what? A plus 15A inverse is equal to 8i. Am I correct? This is just like as this one. But to have the equality, it should be 4i. So dividing each term by 2, so 15 by 2 into A inverse is equal to 4i. Observe carefully. We can easily compare these two expressions. Am I correct? These two expressions is same. 4i is equal to this one, and here you have got 4i is equal to this one. 4i have the same matrix. 4i is the same matrix. A matrix cannot be equal with two different matrices at the same moment. তার মানে 4i to এবার ইয়ার লগত ইকুয়াল হইছে, 4i to এবার ইয়ার ইকুয়াল হইছে. That means these two expressions must be equal. Therefore, what is the value of alpha? Alpha is equal to half and beta is equal to 15 by 2. So what is the value? Alpha plus beta is equal to half plus 15 by 2, which is equal to 8. Which option is correct? Obviously, option D is correct. How you have got it? That means 4i have two different values. One is given already and one is given we have got after having a simplification. But 4i should not be equal to the two different matrices at the same moment. It is a matrix day. It is the matrix then equal sign or equal or it is a matrix ho bolaibo. Then if 4i naমৰ matrix abar a2 matrix লগত equal abar a2 matrix লগত equal, it's not possible. That's why these two expressions must be equal. That's why equating the corresponding coefficients, alpha is equal to half and beta is equal to 15 by 2, and alpha plus beta is equal to 8. I hope you have got my point. Just go through the videos once again, then obviously you will have you will get the confidence about this topic matrices. Very simple topic, but it will take time to cover it. But simple questions you will get in JEE Mains. Thank you so much.